Here I have INFINIX Hot 30 Play, and today I'm going to show you how to take screenshot on this device. So firstly, what you have to do is to open screen which you want to capture. Could be just your home screen. And then what you have to do is to press combination power key plus volume down at the same time like this. And the screenshot will be taken. So let me show you once again. Power key, volume down, and let's get it. So one last time, power key, volume down, and we got these screenshots. You can find your screenshots in gallery, in the special screenshot folder. And here they are. From here you can share, mark, edit, delete your screenshots, and perform other actions from this list. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.